There are 3 things that you must submit for this new FinCEN report, and I'm about to walk you through them in this video. So why do you need to submit this new FinCEN report anyway? Well, this is because the Corporate Transparency Act, or CTA, took effect on January 1st, 2024. And the CTA imposes beneficial ownership reporting requirements. And this requires 30 million small business owners across the country to submit their beneficial ownership information to FinCEN. And if you don't do it, you can face up to $10,000 in fines and/or 2 years in jail. So to make sure that you're compliant with the new FinCEN report or the BOI report, you must report 3 pieces of information to FinCEN. The first piece of information is the reporting company information. And a reporting company is defined as any entity that's created by filing a document with the Secretary of State. And examples of these include LLCs, corporations, and limited partnerships. And if your company is a reporting company, you must report 4 pieces of information to FinCEN. The first is the company name, as well as any trade names or DBAs if you have them. The second is a business street address, and it can't be a registered agent address, a PO box, or a third-party address. The third is the state where the entity is formed. And the fourth is a unique business number, which can be your EIN number from the IRS. The second piece of information that you need to report is the beneficial ownership information. And a beneficial owner can be either one of 2 things. Number 1, it's anyone who owns 25% or more of a reporting company. And number 2, it can be anyone who exercises substantial control of that reporting company, which pretty much means that they have management authority over it. And if you qualify as a beneficial owner, you need to report 4 pieces of information to FinCEN. The first is your name, the second is your birth date, the third is your residential street address, not your business address, but your residential street address, and the fourth is an unexpired passport or driver's license that has both a unique identifying number as well as an image of yourself. And the third piece of information is the company applicant information. And up to 2 people can be the company applicant. The company applicant is the individual who directly files the document to create the entity, or who is primarily responsible for directing the filing. However, this only applies to entities that are formed after January 1st, 2024. But if you qualify as a company applicant, you must report 4 pieces of information to FinCEN. The first is your name, the second is your birth date, the third is a business or a residential street address, and the fourth is an unexpired passport or driver's license that has that unique identifying number as well as an image of yourself. When does your company need to file this report? Well, this question ultimately depends on when your company was formed. If your company was formed in 2023 or earlier, you have 1 year to get this information to FinCEN. If your company was formed in 2024, you only have 90 days to get this information to FinCEN. And if you set up an entity in 2025 or later, the clock really starts to tick, as you only have 30 days to report your information to FinCEN. And this bears repeating. If you don't do it, you can face up to $10,000 in fines and/or 2 years in jail. Clearly, you have a lot of information to report. You certainly have a lot of information to report to FinCEN. And some of you may be asking, who will do my FinCEN filings? Well, you're in luck, because we here at Corporate Direct would be happy to help you out. We've been preparing for this new law for the last 3 years. And if you want more information on how we can help you, please click the link in the description below and feel free to schedule a free 15-minute consultation with us. I also have a new book called The 5 Tricks to Teach Your Kids About Money. You can download the book for free by clicking the link in the description below. If you're looking to start a business, you can schedule a free 15-minute consultation with us at Corporate Direct by also clicking the link in the description below. And as always, please make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on that notification bell. And I should warn you, the contents of this video are not legal advice and no attorney-client relationship has been formed.